After 4 great seasons of Speaker of the Year, we are back with a bang. Speaker of the Year 2015 is bigger and better. This year, our theme is water, and today we bring you some wonderful ideas from a new location. Will we get a superb idea or an amazing vision? Let's find out. The first round is a personal interview. It gives the student a chance to get up close and personal to express his or her views.
So, if given a chance, what will you do to reduce water pollution in India?
I will make some illiterate people study about water, and I will make rainwater harvesting facilities in villages. I will make a lot of fine on people who waste water and pollute water.
Okay. So, what if your mom does that problem? Will you find her?
Yes, I will find my mother also.
You will find your mother also.
Yes.
But
Because mistake is a mistake.
Okay. I make you the Prime Minister of India. What all things will you like to incorporate which are not right now happening to make the country a better place to live?
Like in past decades, it was like they have a timing for water that from 10 to 12 water will be coming. So I will again bring that step to save water, because obviously that would bring people something that we have to save this much of water, then we will store this much of water, and this much only we have to consume, not more than that. To take an initiative, they have to take a step towards it. And for a big change, obviously it starts from you itself.
Let's have a hypothetical situation. I give you a superpower for one day. You become a superhero for one day. Right? Which superpower would you like to have, and how will you use it to reduce water pollution in India?
See, I want the superpower so that I can spread my words to each and everybody present in this world. Because the most important thing today is awareness. We need not to force anybody to save water. Because if we force them, see, if a parent forces his child to study, will he study? He will not. He has to make his mind to study. He must tell him the importance of studying. What he will get in his future if he study hard, if he work hard. The same is the thing. I will make everybody know about the importance of water. What we are lacking in the terms of water. Then they will themselves make their mind and they will themselves save their water. Then there will be no requirement of these speeches to make them forced to save water.
So why we are not able to, why as a country we are not able to fight against these diseases? Every year we face any such or the other epidemic disease. So why are we not able to fight against it?
Because there is a sanitation problem. People don't know what to do. They don't know what is right for them. And I think our Prime Minister is doing this also. There was an agriculture award ceremony. He said that per drop, more crop. And water is a precious resource. We should preserve this resource. And below that paragraph, there is a video in which he ate food and he washed his hand and let the tap open. And I think for 5 or 6 seconds the tap was open and then his pay kind of closed. If he is not doing it, then what others will do?
A lot of people who are using water in a limited quantity. Now they have again reduced the quantity of water which they were using so that they can just come under that slab, which will entitle them for free water, right? But on the contrary, there were other people as well who are wasting a lot of water.
Sir, I had read that the people in India are using cell phones more than using the toilet. So Arvind sir should increase the bills of mobile phones and would announce that if a family is using a water in the limited quantity, then that particular family would get 50 rupees recharge per day. Per day there should be a competition, there should be a meter inside their homes, so that water conservation could be done in a more effective way. If I, in my family, individually use less water, then it would be a chain. My mother will also use less water because I am her child. She will be inspired by seeing me, and it would be a great pleasure for me also that my mother is following me, and then mother to father, father to my brother, and then a family to the neighbors, neighbors to the whole colony, colony to the city.
Apart from some wonderful ideas, we also witnessed some great talents.
सोनिया ओ सोनिया तुझे देखता हूँ तो सोचता हूँ बस यही तुम जो मेरा साथ दो सारे गम भुला के जिलो मुस्कुरा के जिंदगी.
The second round is the Speak Shoot, where the students express their ideas in front of the camera.
Friends, just imagine having to walk miles to collect water from a dirty hole, scooping it into a bucket and hauling it back home. This is the reality faced by many.
Your hardly earned 2 or 4-wheeler need a regular wash to keep it clean and shiny before it make its way through the road. And for this, you have decided to dedicate a full day or probably a weekend to carry out this job with almost satisfaction. You fix a pipe on a tap, and there you have some precious drops of receding resource flowing carelessly. Most of it goes waste, and there is no way to avoid it in this case.
Well, there are people living in rural India in such hellish conditions, unaware about the harms it could inflict on them. I feel pity that even in this modern era of 21st century, the people are made to suffer this way. It is a shame that our villages, the very backbone of India, are so backward.
3/4 part of the earth is covered with water. It is a very cheap natural resource which is going to be cost more than gold in the future. Is it a joke? No, not at all, my friends. It is the future forecast made by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji.
Wow, those were some fantastic ideas we just heard. I'm wondering who's going to get the coveted title.
So any guesses? Who amongst you have won that title?
I want to thank first of all Team Maverick Venture, all the endeavors and efforts which they have been making for last many years to make this great and noble task reach everywhere in each and every cities of India. I would I'm very indebted to them for their efforts.
The contribution to the wall of thought from this location is even I'm excited to find out the new ideas from our next location. So stay tuned.